Hey, what is up, YouTube? Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP and whether XRP is a sleeping giant or not. Personally, I think this chart has great potential, this coin, in the next cycle, in this bull run that we've already started to see across many of the altcoins and with Bitcoin. And I think XRP is going to do very well. It's just been lagging behind the rest of the market. Sometimes the coin that lags behind is also the coin that starts to pick up very well in the future. So what we're watching here with XRP is some shorter term price targets, and I'm going to be going over kind of my cyclical analysis of XRP as well. So this one's going to be really awesome. Make sure that you smash up that like button for me. I know it's Monday, everybody, but put a smile on your face because Monday through Friday I upload, and I am dedicated to uploading 5 days a week all through 2020 to keep you guys updated and posted. You guys know the deal because I'm already posting consistently, even very dedicated to this. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you stay updated, like I said, 5 days a week all through 2020, and comment down below where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world. So yeah, you guys smash up that like button for me one more time and we'll get straight into the XRP analysis. So the first thing I want to point out with XRP is the market cycle. The market cycle is pretty straightforward, very, very impulsive, extremely impulsive. This is typical of one of the first market cycles, or an early cycle inside of the markets, basically meaning that because this had such a low market capitalization, because it had such a low amount of people that were aware of it. I mean, 2017, 2018 was big for XRP, don't get me wrong, but you guys, the amount of people that were aware of it is still so small. And so that's what kind of happens when you have these huge parabolic spikes, is it usually just indicates that the market wanted to go up, but there was such a small market capitalization that it kind of just rocket shipped up and rocket shipped back down. I like to use the analogy often of a speedboat. A speedboat is very small, low market capitalization, so it can move very, very fast across the water, go from point A to point B. It can be used to run drugs from one country to another country, you know, because it's so fast that it just goes under the radar of surveillance. And so that's kind of XRP here, is it's a speedboat. It's very small, very light, low market cap, can move very quickly. That's really crypto in general right now. The entire crypto market is like a speedboat. And kind of what happens to markets as they get bigger, like stocks and stuff like that, is you actually get more of a yacht, where it takes a lot of energy to move that market. The market cap is very big. Can't just accelerate very quickly and then drop in speed very quickly like XRP did. And so this is a speedboat. This right here is your first sell-off in the market cycle, or the disbelief phase. This right here is new paradigm, or euphoria, meaning that this is where tons of people thought they were going to be rich forever, you know, euphoria, all that good stuff. And then this right here is depression. What we're seeing right now in the market is likely to be the lowest point in the entire cycle. And with that being said, depression also usually comes with some type of a volume spike, some type of a capitulation. Just like we saw in Bitcoin, Bitcoin failed its major horizontal support in 2018, this horizontal support right here. Just like we saw in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin failed this support, capitulated, and we had a volume spike. And that's exactly what we saw in XRP as well. So I'm seeing XRP as a similar kind of scenario as what happened in 2018 when Bitcoin led onto 6,000 support floor and bounced multiple times on that 6,000 support floor and then failed and went down to 3.2 thousand. And that was the final capitulation event in the market before we went up. This is a very similar thing right here in XRP. We bounce, we bounce, we bounce, we capitulate, and then we get that volume spike. And so I'm really looking at XRP as something that is likely to reverse in its downtrend soon and could see a lot of upside potential along with the other coins. Do I think that it's going to happen right now? Do I think that it's just going to start mooning right now? No. I think that a lot of the market, especially during February, might take a little ABC. You know, we might do a little ABC in February like this, but that would give us a nice structure for us to make our next impulse in the market. So I think we'll get a really good buying opportunity in most of these cryptos, not just XRP, but really even Bitcoin and some of the other coins. I think a little ABC correction in February would be very nice to see, very healthy, especially since we did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave in most of the coins. All right, so from a cyclical nature, so from a market cycle, this is your first sell-off, this is new paradigm, this is depression. So we're likely to start another market cycle, very bullish, obviously. And from a cyclical perspective, this is something that both Donovan at DIY Investing and I have looked at. I don't remember who found it first, may have been me, doesn't really matter. Either way, we both discovered that around January of every year, a reversal, and it skips, it does a reversal, it does one right here, does one right here, and then it skips a year, and then we see another reversal. So it doesn't matter whether it's a bullish reversal or a bearish reversal. Every January, see, look at this. We have a bearish reversal, and then we have a bearish reversal, and then we have a bullish reversal after 2 years, and then we have a bearish reversal, and then we have a potential bullish reversal. And so it seems to be January is a very, very important time for XRP, where we get a flip in its cycle, where it either flips bullish or either flips bearish. In this specific case, I think the XRP is going to flip bullish from a cyclical perspective. This January has already shown that we have had some buying come back into the market. Like I said, after February, if we can just get a little dip, and I think that January signal will keep carrying us throughout the year up to resistance levels and, you know, potentially up to the all-time high. Maybe not necessarily in 2020 we'll see the all-time high, but we'll start trending towards it. And, you know, kind of shorter term price targets, I think 50 cents is a great spot for us to kind of head up towards after our little February correction. I think 50 cents would be amazing for us. And then kind of a more longer term target is actually $22. I've made a video about this. I'll link you guys in the video at the end of this one. But $22 is a more long term target for XRP, something I definitely expect happening. And that is well above the all-time high of $3.88. So yeah, I really like the XRP chart. I like the cycles. I like the market cycle. I like how we've started to trend upwards a little bit here. Really, really want to see this support hold right here, this huge chunk of support. We've been kissing it all through this area right here. And it's a very, very strong chunk of support. So if that can hold you guys and it follows the same fractal as Bitcoin, I really think this coin could do very well in its next cycle. A little dip here, double bottom, start trending up towards the previous all-time high over here, maybe reject off of it, and then just start going up parabolic into its next cycle. So XRP, very profitable, something I'm definitely holding, watching myself. So you guys check out XRP if you haven't yet. Make sure that you hit up that like button for me right now and the subscribe button, because I am dedicated to uploading 5 days a week all through 2020. New coins all the time, and XRP is definitely one that I'm watching closely. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love every single one of you guys. Let's just go over here. Channel has been growing so much lately, and it really feels good to get all the support I have been getting. It feels like you guys are coming back and watching along with the market starting to reverse. It seems to be very connected and correlated. So I really appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new viewers that I've been getting on my channel. As you can see, I've been pumping out that content for you guys. So I really hope you guys have been enjoying and appreciating all of this amazing content. This right here is my video, so make sure you click on the channel, on my channel, and go check out this video right here. XRP to $22, and the bottom may be in. I made this video about a month ago, literally like last month. So like right here at the exact bottom of the recent low, and I was saying bottom soon. So Check out this video about how I think XRP could go to $22 in its next cycle based on Elliott waves and based on Fibonacci extensions. I am feeling a little better. As you can hear, my voice is starting to clear up a little bit. I bet you that by the end of this week, I'll be pretty much fully healed. So just keep expecting those videos. Unless something drastically changes, you guys can expect your videos all through this week. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Again, make sure you hit that like button for me and the subscribe button, and comment down below where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay profitable out there.